Hello, Kate Loving-Shank here of KateLovingBusiness.com. And on my blog today, I was looking around at things I had done in the past, and I came across a radio show I had done with my husband. And the topic was that we were about to embark on teaching a meditation class at a Unitarian church in town. And we were discussing, it became a really interesting discussion about unplugging from technology, the different philosophies of meditation, and how you don't have to be a heavy-duty religious person to meditate. In fact, you can be an atheist or an agnostic. And the whole radio show runs about 55 minutes. So I do include it here for you to listen to. Anybody who misses my husband might really want to listen to it because it is so much, so him, can I say. And I'm always privileged to touch base with his brilliance and his insights and his kindness. So namaste, everybody. Little Maso, our mascot, is sleeping soundly and it's raining. So take care. Love to all. Peace on earth. Bye-bye.